Forgot your Dropbox password or worried it's been stolen? Here's exactly how to change it in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through logging in, finding the security settings, and updating your password. Let's get started. First, you need to open up your web browser and head over to Dropbox.com. Just the regular website will do. You don't need anything special installed for this part. Now go ahead and sign into your Dropbox account. Use whatever email address you've got tied to it, and try typing in the password you think it is. If you're totally stuck, that's okay. Dropbox does offer recovery options right on that sign-in screen if you need them. But for this guide, we're assuming you can get in, or you just want a fresh start with a new password. So once you're in, look up to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a little profile icon, probably your initials or a photo. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will drop down. From that list, you want to select Settings. It's usually pretty near the top and has a little gear icon next to it. Now you're in your account settings. Across the top, you'll see a few different tabs, things like General, Account, and so on. Click on the one that says Security. This is where all the sensitive stuff lives, including your password. Alright, now scroll down just a little bit through the Security tab. You should see a section clearly labeled Password. It's pretty straightforward, and underneath it, there'll be a button that says Change Password. Click that. A new box or form will pop up. It's going to ask you to enter your current password first. This is your existing one, the one you're currently using to access the account. Type it in carefully. Here comes the really important part. You'll need to enter your new password. Dropbox has some requirements. It typically needs to be at least 8 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to use something strong but that you'll actually remember, or use a password manager to generate one. Then in the next field, type it again to confirm. Make sure both entries match exactly. Once you've done that, click the Save button, or sometimes it says Update, depending on your view. That's it. Dropbox will process the change. If Dropbox asks you to sign in again to verify the change, just go ahead and do that. Use your new password. This is a security step to make sure it's really you who made the update. And that is all there is to it. Your password is changed, and your files are safer. This guide was built using step-by-step instructions from Double.so, so you know it's been tested and structured carefully. I hope this helps you get back into your account quickly, or just gives you some peace of mind. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.